What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you were looking at a 2005 Vulcan 1600. This is the big bad, the one your grandfather, grandmother, uncles, aunts, everyone's been telling you about. This is the walk-around video. It's got some goofy like sparkles chilling. I don't know how that. I might maybe a sticker was on there. I don't know. It's on the front and the rear fender for some stupid reason. Chip right there. This bike is awesome. It's so big. It's so mean. Little stone chips right in there. Got Cobra pipes. Got a scuff right there on the side cover. It's so big and mean. The tank's in really good shape. With this hypercharger thing. Air filter. Front fender's got the same thing as the rear. Oh, what the heck that is. It's got the brackets for a windshield, but it doesn't actually have it on it. It is carbureted. Front tire's in good shape. Rear tire's in good shape. It's only got 20,000 on it. Chipping the paint right there if you can see that. Side of the tank's in good shape. Slight, ever so slight dent. I don't know if you can see the, I don't know if it would be really hard to see. Ever so slight dent right there. Like very slight. Some scuffs back there on the rear fender. It's all in good shape. The top of the tank's in good shape. Like I said, 20,000 on it. It's got some goofy little, like this is kind of peeling off a little bit right in here. Not a big deal, guys. Bike's still gonna be super cheap. Bike is in great shape, guys. Like I said, 2005 Kawasaki Vulcan 1600. It's the big bad Vulcan. It's got good tread on the tires, guys. This bike will not last long. Thanks a ton for watching, guys.